It's about time to reinstall the gas tank into my bus project, and with all of the cheap Chinese replacement parts that are out there, I want to have access to the fuel sending unit so that it doesn't cause me a problem later. They're not easy to get to once everything's installed. There's a document circulating online that shows how the factory recommended dealerships address this, but I wanted my solution to be just a little bit nicer, even though by most it's still considered a hack. This is just half-inch aluminum plate. First operation was to drill a bunch of holes, and now we're cutting out the second, and now I'm cutting out the access hole itself. And here I'm just removing the bulk of the material. The rear floor in the bus is not flat, and I'm trying to make this part match as close as possible. You'll see better once we're close to the end what I'm talking about. And to make the beveled portion of this opening, this tool here really, it worked, but I wouldn't want to make more than a few of these. It's a 6-flute countersink, and it's the first time I ever tried using it to put a profile on something. And it did work, but it fought the whole way, and the sound it made was just horrendous. The only reason I used it is because it had the correct angle that I needed. So here are just some finishing passes to clean it up, and put a bevel or a chamfer on the high points. Tapping all the holes, 1/4 and this is about where it goes on the bus. As you'll see, I thought I measured it good, but I put it about a 1/2 inch too far forward. Not for the axis itself, but for that front slope, and a little bit of interference. And I had to clearance the part a little bit. It worked out. It was just frustrating because I thought I had it right, but knowing me, I should have known better. Here you can see that clearance that I put on the front edge so that it would fit where the floor drops down there. Just doing a test fit. Not bad. I want to seal up that bare metal though. This is far too many screws. The aluminum was plenty strong, and had I been using my head, I would have put the screws down in the recesses. But if I ever do another bus, I'll do it on that one. Well, that's pretty much it. Now I've got access, and when I don't need it, it's sealed up pretty tight. That's it. Thanks for watching.